Hello, welcome back to TechTube. So in this video we will learn how to set up your Visual Studio Code to run C or C++ program. There are many users that they are not able to run their programs of C++ in their Visual Studio Code because there is a need to have your system the GCC compiler. So in this video we will see all the procedures and the steps that how to install the GCC compiler and the setup for running that C++ code. So let's start. First go to the browser and search for MinGW. And go to the first website, sourceforce.net. Here click on this download button. Download has been started here. Click on this setup.exe file, install it. It will take some time, so wait for. Now click this continue button, and here you need to select MinGW MinGW32 base and the MinGW32 GCC and G++. So select these two for installation and click on this installation option and click on the apply changes. Again click on apply, and now it is downloading. Wait for some time, it will close automatically when the download process will be completed. So now click on close to continue, and close this tab. Now you have installed Visual Studio Code on your system. In my case I have downloaded it. So the next step is to set up the environment variables. So go to the C drive, where is the file of the MinGW, So go to the file, go to the bin folder, and here copy the path, and in the search bar search for environment variables. Click on this environment variables, click on this path, click on the new option. Here paste that path that you have copied here, click on this OK, again OK, and again OK. Now the setup has been completed. Now to check that it is completed or not, open the cmd command prompt, and here you can search for gcc --version. So you can see the gcc compiler has been installed successfully. Now the next step is to open the Visual Studio Code, and here you need to install an extension, and the extension name is Code Runner. So click on this Code Runner and install it. So after installing, close this tab and create a new file and save it. Including the .c extension. Now here write a short program and now run this code. So you can see it is showing the output successfully. Hello users, please subscribe this channel. So okay, the spelling is wrong, no issue. Okay, so you can see we have set up our Visual Studio Code for running C or C++ programs, as well as you can run your C++ program here. So these are the simple procedures that you have to follow. First, install MinGW and set up the environment variables, and after that install Visual Studio Code if you have not installed already, and download the extension Code Runner, and then create a new file and write the code of C or C++, and just run this code by clicking on this play button. So thanks for watching this video. Let's see again in the next video with the new topic.